inches from within my grasp. It is coming, I feel it so. I will last, I will make it through. I won't stop, not even when I'm within those velvet roads. Velvet roads. Velvet and night I lay and dream about it. I don't think I'll ever let it go. Give it up, I highly doubt it. Yeah, think that I love it and it shows, but at last inches from within my grasp. It is coming, I feel it so. I will last, I will make it through. I won't stop, not even when I'm within those velvet roads. Velvet roads. Velvet roads. Thank you. Oh my God, I love you too. Okay, and this next one is called Be Light. This all of the heaviness, this sorrow we could all focus on, but I choose to focus on the positivity. I'm an optimist, period. So let's let our hearts be light. Ooh, don't turn on your phone. I got this feeling, I'm feeling it in my bones. I feel it rising, it's rising up through my toes. There's no explaining or hiding it 'cause it shows.
Can't hold it, so I let it go.
It's such a natural high that I'm feeling inside. So strong I can't deny, and I don't even try. All I can do is smile while everyone's wondering why. Refuse to focus on the negative aspect of life.
That's too blessed to be stressed, too blessed to be stressed.
All right, let it go tonight. Let your heart be light.
All right,
Yeah. Let your heart be light. I know sometimes it's hard to keep all of the joy inside. So many things go wrong in life, it doesn't coincide with the way you plan, but sit back and enjoy the ride. It's too much beauty to let life just go and pass us by. All I can do is smile while everyone's wondering why. Refuse to focus on the negative aspect of life. the imaginary people, y'all. Okay, let me stop. Official 365. Shout out to Official 365 to all y'all beautiful people.
Oh,
Thank y'all
shit.
for getting here safe, putting on a good show, good energy. I love y'all. God bless. Get home safe. Happy birthday, Nick. Official 365. Google
Official
us.
365.
Follow me at Queen Songbird, my Instagram, official music page. You can also hashtag Official 365. You gonna see your girl. And that's it. That's all I got.
That's it. Okay, shit. I'm like, Mary, is that you? Fuck Will Smith. Mary J. Blige?